What's up, everybody? I'm in my workshop that I just finished, put everything away, and I'm gonna do a video to show you guys what it looks like. I like the way it came out. As you can see, it's nice and organized and it's nice and small. All right, so let me flip the camera. So the whole space is maybe 20 by 9, and it's perfect. Before this, I was in a space that was 4 times the size of this, and my things were always all over the place. You're always walking around just to get the stuff. I really like the tightness of it. Everything is right here. So when I'm working here, and I can even have a couple of people that help stand in this station, even side by side here, even one on the other side. So I think, yeah, it's comfortable. I like it. So here it is. I have my computer station here, some of the samples that I make. My only problem is when I make samples, and if I have product that's made from the factory that comes in, obviously I'm not going to store it here. I'll store it in other places, maybe get storage or whatever. And my leather, I have a bunch of leather that I don't think I'm gonna try to put some underneath the tables. I'm gonna try to organize it that way, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit much down there. Got a couple of hides. Here's a new order. This is gonna be the first briefcase I'm gonna be making next week. So that's the hide. Open that up next week and make that. I also have to make a sign. I got the lettering. I got to make a small sign for the outside that says by appointment. And I'm going to put it, let me show you. I did put the signs up. I'm going to put it right there on the right. Wet day today. All right, so let me close this door because it gets loud. So 2 workbenches. You got the tool station right here. The machines that I use, splitter, riveter. Got your air tools right there. All my little rivets and little buckles and all the little parts that go with making bags are right here. You can check them out. Nice. They look organized, but they are really not. I'll have some rivets here and some rivets down there. One day I really got to organize that, and that's not today. And then on this side, I have some handles, some more buckles, and the thread and the die up there. Got the AC, need that, hot day today. And the tool area with my press and my hammers and I don't know, all that crap. So put some briefcases up there, some bags down there. I put the 2 signs up. So the briefcase maker is the one sign. The JP Marcelino bag company is the first sign. That's how I started. My brand, my original brand, I created was JP Marcelino. It just sounded right. There's some meaning to that, even though my first name is Peter and my middle name is Joseph. I split them, whatever. It's the brand name. And I mainly make my handbags with the JP Marcelino, and my briefcases, that brand is for that, the briefcases. That's what I've been doing lately. I put these wires that suck like this because my electrical plugs are on the left side. And this is the best way I'm going to do it. I didn't want to go crazy and put it and, dig out the walls and put electrical wiring so I could get, the lights over there. And I had to bring some electrical outlet for there. And the same thing what I'm doing here. I'm grabbing the electricity, wrapping the cord. It looks like shit, but whatever. It's a workshop, man. And, you know, it's better than, there's no electrical lines on the right side. There's definitely nothing over here. So this was a pain in the neck to drop the, you know, extension cord. So I'm able to use these machines. So that's that. I don't know. I'll probably do another video when I start this briefcase, which is nice. This is English bridal leather, black, and it'll be the first one in the workshop. And what's this? Always got to have some protection, so I keep these right here by the door. I've been robbed at the last store that I had. I used to have some town drunks in Huntington just hang around the shop, and they'd come in, and one day I wasn't looking and they did rob me. So I will keep that right there by this door because you never know. And there's other ways I can protect myself and my stuff here. So that's that. I'll catch you guys later. Let me fix that. I'll catch you guys later on the on another video. Later.